In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book appointments on LinkedIn with Calendly. This is a fantastic way to streamline your networking and make scheduling meetings more efficient. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Calendly website. It's very simple. Just type in calendly.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Calendly is a great tool for scheduling because it simplifies the process of finding a time that works for everyone without the back-and-forth emails. Now that you're at the right place, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to get started, and if you don't already have an account, you can create one quite easily from this screen. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Here you can see all of your scheduled events and manage your calendars. The next step is to navigate to the Integrations section. Integrations are the secret sauce that allows Calendly to connect seamlessly with other platforms you may be using, like LinkedIn. To find this, look for a tab or link on the page that says Integrations and click on it. You might have to scroll a bit or check under a menu, but it should be easy to spot. Now that you've reached the Integrations page, it's time to search for LinkedIn. Calibration with LinkedIn is what will allow you to send appointment invites directly through LinkedIn messaging, making it super convenient for you and the person you're scheduling a meeting with. In the search bar on the Integrations page, type in LinkedIn and press enter. This should bring up any LinkedIn-related integrations available to you. Look for the option labeled LinkedIn Messaging. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll be able to enable the integration. This step is crucial because it will sync your Calendly scheduling system with your LinkedIn account. Once the integration is active, you'll be able to send calendar invites and appointments directly through LinkedIn messages, which is incredibly efficient for your professional communication. That's it. You've successfully set up your Calendly account to book appointments through LinkedIn. Remember, this integration helps you manage scheduling in a way that's convenient and professional, leaving a great impression on your network. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps make your appointment scheduling on LinkedIn much smoother. Happy networking!